Hey beautiful people, if you're into video creation or looking for innovative tools to level up your content game, you're in the right place. Some time ago, I did a review video of another AI generated video tool, Runaway ML, where I created a burger ad. So today we're gonna do another special video on coffee, but we're gonna use another exciting new tool called Kling Ai. It is a powerful text-to-video generator developed by Quasio Model Team. Imagine typing out your ideas and just in a few clicks, turning your text into engaging, professional-looking videos. Sounds cool, right? Well, stay tuned to the end. I'm going to show you all the tricks and tips. So let's get started. Kling.ai is available on browser, so you can just sign up. And once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a super clean and user-friendly dashboard. Here's where the magic happens. On the left panel, you will find the prompt box where you can type in your set of text and keywords. And of course, you can adjust the aspect ratio and the number of generations for the video. Without further ado, let's generate this video based on the prompt drips of coffee on a white cup. Let the magic happens.
A few moments later.
Here is the result. We have a decent video of drips of coffee into white cup. It's not that perfect, but we can improve it further. So for this example, we're going to just stick to the same prompt, but I'm going to include a set of keywords into the negative prompt, such as no liquid on coffee saucer or too much coffee dripping. And we're going to generate the video in a short while, and let's see how it goes. And here's the final result. It's much more cleaner, and of course you can see the preview over here. If you wish to download the video, unfortunately it comes with a watermark, but of course you can definitely get a subscription. Basic standard will do. Now let's explore Kling AI images, where you can enter a prompt to generate a set of images. So for this example, I'm just gonna do a simple one. A girl in a red dress drinking coffee from a white coffee cup. And this is definitely a great way to generate influencer type of visuals for your Instagram. And the next, of course, you can customize your settings according to your preference. We're just gonna stick to the one-in-one format for our social media and generate 4 images. Now let's click the generate button and see what it comes up. In less than 5 seconds, you will definitely see a set of 4 images of a girl in red dress. This is a good one. Definitely not. I don't know why she's holding that cup that way. This is a good example. No, this is not it. Very weird. Well, you can make choices according to what is best suited for you. But I'm going to show you a trick. You can definitely do a reference image for your prompt. We're going to save that images and hover over to the reference image and upload that reference image. And we're going to use this example. You can also do some customization according to the reference strength and also the aspect ratio according to your preference. Just a minor tweak on the prompt to make the desired image more impactful. And let's click on the generate button and see what comes up. And less than 5 seconds, you will see a set of images. This is a good one. I don't know what is this. Definitely a good one for Instagram. Yes, and a good one also. So yeah, as you can see, the reference image does make wonders for the desired output. You can, use this method. So just to point something out, if you're gonna generate this set of images, it will definitely use up about 1.20 credits, whereas for the AI videos, 10 credits will be deducted from your total of 66 credits. So just be mindful if you're gonna do lots of image or video generation. Kling AI also boasts a lot of images generated by fellow creators and by the community. So you can definitely reuse some of the images and definitely can clone and try. So this is example of a Spider-Man image. I can copy the prompt provided and I can just customize to make it into my own. We're just gonna stick with the settings and click on the generate button and see what pops up. So here are the four images of Spider-Man. Unfortunately, it's not as inventive, but we're gonna spice it up using a reference image from one of the comic books. And we just save this image and we're gonna upload this. Once we have uploaded the reference image, we're going to generate a set of four images of aspect ratio of 1:1. And here we have a cool set of image of Spider-Man fighting a villain. This is definitely a game changer. So you can definitely use this set of images for your blog or creative social media posts, something to excite those comic fans of Spider-Man. And this is example of what you can do with Kling.ai, both image or video. So here's my honest thoughts on Kling.ai. Although it's a great text to video generator, I think it has quite a number of shortcomings, particularly in the generation of the video. It takes more than 12 hours to generate just one video based on the prompt given, and that would be a time consuming effort rather than a convenient one. Other than that, the image text to image generator works totally fine. You can generate multiple versions of the images based on the prompt given, and of course you can use it for your social media or even other content. If you're excited to try it out or want to explore more innovative tools like this, hit the like button, subscribe for more value added content, and drop a comment below. Have you tried Kling.ai or any text to video generators or platforms? Let me know your thoughts, and until the next time, keep creating and stay inspired.